HMD Barbie Phone Mobile was launched on 28 August 2024. The phone comes with a 2.80-inch primary display. It also features a 1.77-inch as its second display. HMD Barbie Phone comes with 64 MB of RAM. The HMD Barbie Phone runs Series 30 Plus and is powered by a 1450 mAh removable battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, the HMD Barbie Phone on the rear packs 0.3 megapixel camera. The HMD Barbie Phone runs Barbie is based on Series 30 Plus and packs 128 MB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 32 GB with a dedicated slot. The HMD Barbie Phone is a single SI mobile that accepts a nano SIM card. The HMD Barbie Phone measures 108.40 x 55.10 by 18.90 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 123.50 grams. It was launched in power pink color. Connectivity options on the HMD Barbie Phone include GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, and USB Type-C.